All right, let's talk about something every PC gamer dreams of, building an amazing library of games without emptying your wallet. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to do that, the smart way, the safe way, and the totally legal way. Let's dive right in. I mean, who doesn't, right? Playing those big blockbuster titles without that eye-watering price tag? The great news is this isn't some fantasy. It is absolutely possible, and it's happening all the time. You just have to know where to look. But first, we need to talk about something important. See, when you hear the words free games, your mind might jump to some sketchy corners of the internet, and that version of free can end up costing you a whole lot more than you think. And this slide really lays it all out, doesn't it? On one side, you've got the piracy gamble. You're literally rolling the dice with viruses, malware, and even legal trouble. Plus, the games often don't work right. But on the other side, with official stores, it's a whole different world. Safe, secure, 100% legal, and your games update themselves. Honestly, it's a complete no-brainer. So here it is, the big secret of PC gaming. The very same official stores that sell you games are, believe it or not, the absolute best place to get games for free. No more sketchy sites. The real treasure has been hiding in plain sight this whole time. All right, so where do we go? Where do we find all these legit free games? Let's meet the major players, the digital storefronts that you need to have on your radar. First up, the behemoth, the one everybody knows, Steam. It's a powerhouse with just a ridiculous number of games. Now, everyone knows about their huge sales, but what a lot of people miss is their massive free-to-play section. And, even better, the special free-to-keep promotions that pop up all the time. Next, we've got Epic Games. And let me tell you, these guys came in and completely changed the game. What makes them an absolute must-have for any free game hunter is their insanely generous and consistent giveaway program. And trust me, this is the one you really want to pay attention to. And finally, don't sleep on the Microsoft Store. It's already built right into your Windows PC. It's the official, super integrated place for games. Now, it might not have those flashy weekly giveaways like Epic, but its free section is full of gems that are super easy to install and guaranteed to be safe. Okay, now for the really juicy part, the secret weapon. We're not just talking about games that are always free. We're talking about premium, A-list, paid-for games being added to your library to keep forever without you paying a single cent. And if you need proof of just how big these giveaways can get, look no further. Yes, you are reading that right. Grand Theft Auto 5, one of the best-selling video games of all time, was given away for free. We're talking about massive AA blockbusters here, not just small indie titles. So what exactly is a limited time giveaway? It's incredibly simple. For a short period, usually about a week, a store just makes a paid game free. You click one button to claim it, and boom, it's permanently tied to your account. It's yours forever. You can download and play it whenever you want. And the process is just ridiculously easy. Step 1, make a free account, which you've probably already done. Step 2, just check the store for their giveaways. Step 3, click the claim button. And step 4, well, there is no step 4. That's it, the game is yours. It's really that simple. So if you're hunting for these premium giveaways, where should you focus? 2 main places, Epic Games and Steam. Epic is the undisputed king here. They drop a new free premium game every single week, like clockwork. Steam also has frequent promotions, so it definitely pays to keep an eye on both. Okay, so besides the big multi-publisher stores, there's another awesome place to look for free stuff. Going straight to the source, directly to the game developers and publishers themselves. You know the big guys, right? EA and Ubisoft. They've got their own platforms, the EA app and Ubisoft Connect. If you're a fan of huge franchises like Battlefield or Assassin's Creed, you're going to want to have their launchers installed because they often save the best deals and freebies for their own home turf. Think of it like a direct line to the creators. On these platforms, they'll run their own special promotions, maybe give away an older classic to celebrate a new release, or offer exclusive demos that you just won't find anywhere else. It's another safe, trusted source for great free content. All right, that was a lot of info, right? So let's boil it all down into a super simple, easy-to-follow playbook that you can start using today to build that dream game library for free.
Here's your action plan. It's dead simple. Make it a habit to check the Epic Games Store once a week. Keep Steam on your radar for its big promotions. Pop into the Microsoft Store, EA, and Ubisoft apps every now and then. But here's the golden rule, the most important part. Never, ever download games from sketchy, untrusted websites. It is just not worth the risk.
At the end of the day, this is about more than just grabbing a few freebies. It's about building a valuable, permanent digital library the smart and safe way. Your next favorite adventure, your next obsession, is literally out there right now, waiting for you to claim it. The only question is, which store are you going to check first?